The Chevy Bel Air is a full-size car that was produced by Chevrolet for the 1950 to 1975 model years. Initially, only the two-door hardtops in the Chevrolet model range were designated with the Bel Air name from 1950 to 1952. With the 1953 model year, the Bel Air name was changed from a designation for a unique body shape to a premium level of trim applied across a number of body styles. The Bel Air continued with the various other trim level designations, and it went from mid-level trim car to a budget fleet sedan when U.S. production ceased in 1975. The Bel Air received new, revamped styling for the 1955 model year. The Bel Air was 3,456 pounds and 15 feet long. It was called the Hot One in GM's advertising campaign. Bel Airs came with features found on cars in the lower model ranges, plus interior carpet, chrome headliner bands on hardtops, chrome spears on front fenders, stainless steel window moldings, full wheel covers, and a Ferrari-inspired front grille. Models were further distinguished by the Bel Air name script in gold lettering later in the year. For 1955, Chevrolets gained a V8 engine option and the option of the 2-speed Powerglide automatic or standard 3-speed Synchromesh manual transmission with optional overdrive. The new 265 cubic inch 4.3-liter V8 featured a modern overhead valve, high compression ratio, short stroke design that was so good that it remained in production in various displacements for many decades. The base V8 had a 2-barrel carburetor and was rated at 162 horsepower, and the Power Pack option featured a 4-barrel carburetor and other upgrades yielding 180 bhp. Later in the year, a Super Power Pack option added high compression and further 15 bhp. Warning lights replaced gauges for the generator and oil pressure.